listen carefully. Some things in life we can laugh about, but when words turn into threats, when danger starts walking in the open, silence is no longer protection. This is not a joke anymore. Alicia, hear me now, listen to the warning sign. Some people cross the line you can't rewind. When anger starts talking in the public square, the kind of darkness you must not ignore or bear. Words can carry fire, words can carry harm, and sometimes danger hide behind a charm. But when the threats come clear for the world to see, that is the moment to protect your dignity. You deserve safety, you deserve peace. No one should live where the fear won't cease. Your life is worth more than somebody's rage, your future bigger than another man's stage. This is not a joke anymore. Your life worth fighting for. When the warning signs appear, it's time to make the truth clear. Stand up, speak now, don't delay. Your safety must lead the way. No fear should rule your door. This is not a joke anymore. Ooh.
Is not just noise. Sometimes it comes from dangerous choices. When a man forget respect and control, darkness start taking over his soul. But strength is knowing when to act. When silence breaks and you face the fact, the law exists for a reason. Today protection must lead the way. You are not alone in this fight. There are voices that stand for what's right. And courage sometimes begins with a call. When justice stands tall for all, this is not a joke anymore. Your life worth fighting for. When the warning signs appear, it's time to make the truth clear. Stand up, speak now, don't delay. Your safety must lead the way. No fear should rule your door. This is not a joke anymore. Fear should never be your home, and danger should not stand alone. The world must hear when wrong is done, 'cause every life is someone's son or daughter. Strength is not in silent pain. Strength is breaking every chain and choosing life above the storm, where safety becomes the norm. This is not a joke anymore. Your life worth fighting for. Truth must stand and light the way, so fear cannot stay. Stand up strong and close that door to threats you faced before, because your life is worth much more. This is not a joke anymore. Oh, yeah, oh, 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 yeah. Real strength is protecting life. Oh, yeah. Is speaking up. And sometimes the bravest thing a person can do is refuse to live in fear.
What go me G?
Yo, John, no man, hungry.
Why we no go check McDonald's?
Me no want a hamburger.
Then make we go check Rodney. When them hungry, watch everybody.
Welcome, my viewers and subscribers. Welcome back to Rodney's Lifestyle Real Talk TV. How no stay? You know, alright? I hope each and every one of you is in good health and good strength. And as always, guys, you don't know if you're not feeling no pain, that is very good. But if you feel any pain at all, just remember if you do, check the doctor. go to the doctor, call the doctor, make the doctor come home at your yard if you have the money. But if you don't have the money, don't worry yourself. We go call your auntie, your sister, your brother, your cousin. Every single one of your family members will go find out if one of them can bring you to the doctor. Now, my viewers and subscribers, mental health crisis is not a joke. Check on your family, call your family, make sure you check on them. All your friends, all your enemies. And you don't know if you cook no food, please, me a beg you know, share a plate. And if I me, you can give me a plate, no problem, but I love it. So, my viewers and subscribers, any which part of the world you there this morning, if I want a birthday, happy birthday to each and every one of you. And also, guys, any which part you're there in the world this morning I watch this video, thank you very much for watching the videos. And the people over Vancouver, Canada, big up on yourself. The people over Canada, big up on yourself. The people in the US, big up on yourself. The people in Jamaica, Africa, UK, the people in Guyana, Trinidad, Antigua, Barbudas, Bermuda, St. Croix. Let me say again, everywhere. Big up on yourself. Enough respect. Thank you for your watch and like the video. Them guys, me don't know how to do this video here, but me I tell you the truth. Me tired. Me tired, you know. Anyone now know see Alicia Kim walk out on the street there? Tell her send me want to talk to her. I don't have a direct or a indirect way of getting to Alicia Kim. She watch me video them and I hope she watch this one here. Alicia Kim, come here, let me talk to you. Please, let me talk to you. Me don't know how and one more to say to you. Me don't know if you are do it. If you are do it, thank you very much. But if you're not do it, go do it right now. Guys, I'm going to show you a video first. Then I'm going to come back and talk to you about the reason why I'm showing you this video. Guys, watch this video and then we will talk after the video. Watch the video.
With that horror in New Jersey, though, and neighbors along Fairwood Drive in Berkeley Township say they woke up to the sound of gunshots around 5 this morning.
And when police arrived, they found 3 people shot, killed by a gunman who then turned the gun on himself. 3 children in the house were not injured.
New Jersey reporter Tony Yates live at the scene with new information and how all of this unfolded. Tony?
We are in the Bayville section of Berkeley Township. It's a beachside community. We've met a lot of retirees out here. They tell us it's usually a very quiet, very peaceful place, except for this morning when all of that gunfire woke them up.
I heard around probably 4:45, some like about 6 shots, like bang, 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 bang. But then at around 5:04 is when I really heard bang, 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 like it was gonna come through to my house and I didn't know where it was coming from.
In fact, Ashley's doorbell camera recorded the sound of the gunfire, the loudest.
It's unbelievable. I pray for the families and the victims involved.
Police spent all afternoon at the home on Fairwood Drive, where the Ocean County Prosecutor's Office says the suspect fatally shot 3 people before turning the gun on himself, taking his own life. Gunfire before dawn woke up several nearby neighbors.
We heard multiple gunshots, and I mean, I thought it was fireworks, to be honest with you. Turning out to what it is really unfortunate, you know.
Our law enforcement sources tell us this was a couple going through a divorce or recently divorced, that the husband came to his in-laws' home, shot them and his ex-wife dead, again turning the gun on himself. He was rushed to Community Medical Center in Toms River, where hours later he was pronounced dead. We are hearing that the couple's children are in police protection.
We don't really know the people over there, but it's so sad to hear. You know, that it's very tragic.
It's a sad situation because this is not a town that you expect any of this to happen.
And late this afternoon, the Ocean County Prosecutor's Office did release the names of those who were involved. The homeowners were 61-year-old Alan Russell, his wife 60-year-old Michelle Russell, and their 38-year-old daughter Deanna Stewart. And her ex-husband, the suspected shooter, was 37-year-old Vaughn Stewart of Maplewood, New Jersey. And so with this tragic ending, there are now 3 siblings who must spend the rest of their lives without the people who love them most. For now, we're live in the Bayville section of Berkeley Township. Tony Yates, Channel 7, Eyewitness News.
Now, my viewers and subscribers, tragedy happened in a New Jersey. And not because it's in New Jersey is the reason why I'm making this video and talking to Alicia Kim. I'm talking to Alicia Kim, and I want to talk to Alicia Kim and Alicia Kim friends and the Big Up crews and everybody because of the video that Maki make. Maki make a video threatening Alicia Kim on the internet. Maki make a YouTube channel, a YouTube video of me threatening Alicia Kim. Listen to this word. I mean, I'm playing video, but we go tell her what the word say. Maki said, Alicia Kim is 36. Alicia Kim dad was 37. Passed away at 37. And the same thing is going to happen to Alicia Kim. And when she reached 37, he used the word karma. But when you use the word karma, you use the word karma to shelter the threat. Remember, say Maki fire a firearm over the head of a woman that he was in a relationship with. Remember that, people. Remember that, Alicia Kim. Remember, say when Maki left Jamaica, one of the main reasons why he left Jamaica and at the right time was because of that gripping. You see, Maki, I talk about your father and I talk about what your father used to do. Ask Maki what his father used to do a papi. Jesus, ask Maki. Uno, please ask Maki what his father used to do a papi. And as a matter of fact, you go and ask Maki what his mother used to do a papi. Maki, don't play with me, you know. Me, a one person you don't play with. Ask Maki what his mother used to do a papi. Or in other words, what is her mother job at papi back in the days, the same time, the same era when Alicia Kim dad was alive. You know what me tell them, people. You sure want me tell them or you know what me tell them? You need to go sit down. Alicia Kim, be the Big Up crew, the people that are around Alicia Kim, tell Alicia Kim said to use this specific video. You don't have to get a liar. Take down this video. Take this clip of this video. Report Maki for threatening you, cyberbullying, bullying you. Listen to me, man. Stop take this thing as a joke. People, when you realize that the drunk crowd, shithouse crew, do not make any video about these things, telling this little non-progressive elements. It is time to stop this now. Threatening this woman in the video that I show you. Domestic affair was going on in the relationship. That's the lady leave out of the major. I can't call that word good sometime when me attack. The major, the married house. Sometimes I can't call the word when me talk. I mean, in a certain kind of the marriage house where them live in. The wife left out of it because of domestic violence. People, the domestic violence hotline is 100-799-7233, and you can call it from anywhere in America. Anywhere in America. You can call the number. National Domestic Violent Hotline. Again, 1-800-799-7233. We're going to put it up on the screen. We're going to put it right across the screen so you can see it up there. This guy named Von Lawrence. Yes, Von Lawrence. And look what him do. Him turn the firearm on himself because him not have the guts to go to prison to face the circumstances. God is so good that the 3 children left alive. 1 infant, a 3-year-old and a 5-year-old. This guy didn't do nothing more than take the life of the mother and father. They just retired and decided that they're going to go around the world with their grandkids. They just come from Jamaica. They just come back from Jamaica. And you're going to tell me that this guy take them life because of hunger and because of what he believe the woman have done to him. It is the same factor of what this man is doing, claiming that Alicia Kim have done to him what Alicia Kim have done. What could Alicia Kim have done to you that you cannot carry on? This morning, me not joke. This morning, me not talk nothing about no dirty tongue. This morning, me not talk about no nasty tongue because guess what me I got to talk about right now? The ex said that these are the things that he done. Threaten you, and try to tell you what he can do, what he used to do, and will do. So he's not the first, this guy, I do these things, and he have done them over and over. Nobody is talking about it. None of the drunk Krasmite them are talk about it. None of the little drunk, little well love to say dirty chest are talk about it. Imagine you come on national television, YouTube, the public, the whole world I see threatening Alicia Kim about you're going to meet the same demise that your father met after. So right now you give that lady 1 year. Let me tell you something. Let me say this to each and every one of you out the way. Watch this video. Stop take this thing for a joke. Stop take this thing for a joke. If this man can be at this level of his life, making these kind of video that everybody is going to see, and then him talk about, oh, you can take it and twist it and turn it. Anyway, there's no twist and turn. You say it out of your own mouth. And you use the word you use about karma. That's not how it works. You threaten her. You threaten her so she's going to meet the same demise like her dad. Now, let me say this to you. You also go in and said about what a little of her dad used to do what and her mother have to take the dad out of town. So let me say this to you. I do not know how Alicia Kim's father passed away. I don't know. And I go be honest with you. I won't even try to find out or ask how he did pass away. However, whatever way he passed away, you is speculating that that's the same demise Alicia Kim is going to get at age 37. Alicia Kim, stop. Take this thing for a joke. I beg you. Hold on. Chris, come here, Chris. If your sister is taking this for a joke, I'm asking you, Chris, take this to the police, please. Take it to the police. Stop take this thing as a joke. Chris, me know you love your sister, and you's not a man with joke around, and you no play. Take this thing to the police. If your sister no want to carry it to the police, take it to the police. This is past joke. This is not a joke. This is serious business. Guys, let me say this to you. Me just not understand. Not one. And let me say this to you. Let me say this to you. Let me say this to each and every one of you. How me stay is this. Me tell you, say me make video about Alicia Kim already. Yeah? Me make two video. When me get the first information about Alicia Kim, and then me go do my homework, and me go do my digging, and me do my diving, and me get the information, and me say, hell no, something right here, so. And me start to think, start to look into it, and start to do my investigation, and me find out which part everything go wrong. So me personally is not afraid of making videos. I me go tell them this. If Alicia Kim do something, when me think me must talk about it, I'm going to talk about it. So you see, where you see Maki I do, and I do the, if I was on, you know what, I'm not going to use that word, because I know one, I couldn't depend the inside. So listen me good now. Listen me good enough. Let me explain something. If Alicia Kim do something that me see that it is not good, I'm going to talk about it. I'm going to address her. I'm going to say, you shouldn't do that. And that's just who I am. So why me say that, and the reason why I just say that is because I'm saying to you, if Drunkertown was somebody, at least they should have the guts to say to him. And they have his number, they have his phone number, they have all kind of things for him. They should have called him and said to him, yo, no man, you can't. Listen to me. Listen to me. Listen to me. Me I go say something to you, and me I go tell you, me I go call name too. Me I go call name. Big up yourself, Jamaica Sensation. Jamaica Sensation is a YouTuber where him doing YouTube and him doing thing. Jamaica Sensation is a YouTuber, me rate, me respect him. Me rate him, me respect him. And me go tell him something. Jamaica Sensation make a video one day. Yeah? And when me see the video, I call Jamaica Sensation because me got him number. Me call him and me say, yo, take down that. Me call him right away and say, yo, take down that the video there. When me watch another video where Jamrock make, hear what Jamrock said. Him a look for the video where Sensation make. But Sensation take it down. He couldn't find it because guess what? I take him off to take it down to keep it. And me tell Sensation say take it down immediately, and him take down the video immediately. And him do another video and him contact me and him say, Wagwan father. And me say, me there, you know. And him say, you know, so me make a video. And me say, ABC in the video. And me say, no, don't do that. Me say, no, do that, brother. No, do that. No, put that out there. take it out. Take it out of the video and put something different in the video. That's some me stay. If me and you are friend, me and you are friend, and me go tell you when you're wrong from when you're right. Yes, me could have said more about me other virgin, me other person me talk about and talk to. But check this out, I not call nobody name. I just go call that one person the name. Yeah, man. If me and you are friend, I me see you do something, and me feel say it is wrong in my eyesight, me go say something to you. You know, have to take it down. You know. You do not have to do nothing to the video. You can leave your video because it's your video. But it's my opinion and my reasoning to say to my friend, no, my friend, that's not good. So when me see them video out there, and you tell me, say you and him have dialogue, and you can call him and say to him, say, yo man, certain video not good for me. That is the reason to show me that all I know is the same manipulator, control, the same dirty kind of freak. The whole I know is same like a dirty, nasty individual. You must can say to your friend, to somebody who you're close to, no, that was a wrong video. Yeah, man, you must can say that. No, that was a wrong video. You can't do that. And me I tell you the truth, when me tell Jamaica Sensation, him take down the video fast, him take it down. Him never did have to take it down. Because guess what? Me and Jamaica Sensation, we are not brothers. We are not families. All we are is just two people who rate one another. Him call me call him call me call him, and we chat. That's all. We not chat people business. We not chat. We just, yo, you're good. Well, go on home work. That's how we talk. And him have a YouTube channel. Him have TikTok. Me watching YouTube. Me watch in YouTube. Me thumbs it up. Me like it. Me do whatever for helping channel. Why you cannot call Maki and tell Maki say, yo, that not good. That not good. Stop do that. But remember me telling you this. Big up crew. Me I go on the Alicia Kim video and me go write something on it. As soon as me done this video, me go on the one our video and me go write on it and me go say, please me I beg you, me I ask you, do not take this thing light. Do not take these threats lightly. Me going to write it under there when me done this, because this is not a joking matter. None of us body do align with steel. None of us. And if the people in the comment section where I listen to Maki attack these things and I bribe him and I push him, when Maki, if hopefully it not happen, but if Maki should have do something that isn't right, all I want to go say, we will never know saying really that serious. That's all I want to go say. And move on to the next victim. We want to go chastise because we want to just get up and hate people. Because of one lady sick and tired of this dirty water mouth. Hold on a little bit. Hold on a little bit. Let me ask you something. Let me ask you something. Let me ask you something. Wanna like the video yet? Wanna share the video yet? Wanna subscribe yet? Subscribe to Will Eat More. New channel I come. Guys, I don't know how long me I try to fix this new channel. I know me can't put them out. But anyway, I can go back to the real thing. Let me ask you something. Who know this lady was with Maki before Alicia Kim. And before Alicia Kim, him a lick ass and all kind of parts and a chub up tongue in a whatsoever. You know what? Make me left that alone. I go left that right this away there because Let me go to this more serious thing. At one point in a Maki relationship, one off his ex said that, you know, I'm gonna use alleged, you know that Maki send her to the ER. Guys, she said she couldn't press any charges on Maki. And the reason why she couldn't press any charges on Maki was because she was afraid of him. She was afraid of him because she says when he was younger, she said that when he was younger, when he flexed those muscles, he could lift up so no matter how heavy that thing is. And she was scared of him, so she could not deal with the police because at the one of the times she says she don't know if they go lock him away for a long time or they go lock him up and then he go come back out. So that's the reason why she never reported. So it's not like Maki is a soft soap. When Maki used the word to Alicia Kim about that's why they find woman in a bushes at Jamaica. What do you think that means? What do you think that mean? You think that mean, oh, make you put some sugar in some water and make sugar and water with lemon? That's not what that means. Listen me. There's a lot of things happen in the relationship with Alicia Kim not saying, and I am happy and glad that she didn't come out with them because you know she have to think about her business and her life, and she's a YouTuber. That's her job. However, there's a lot of people that Maki make do not like her. There's a lot of people who Ram, the choker, make do not like Alicia Kim. Anything can happen. They ask you, report these things to the police. Report the cyberbullying to the police. Report them to the police. It is serious. It is not a joke anymore. The time have come that talking about the boy and do nothing, him can't do nothing, is over. Threatening a person, telling a person that you're going to meet your demise at the same age of your father, like your father. Karma. What? What? A woman who you see him and say how you love and you are loving Papa and your wife love you so much and your wife love you feel love because you not got no money. Do you remember those words? Nasty, dirty tongue mouth man. So the viewers and subscribers, hear me I say. We'll soon in our next video because right now Duppy know if he frightened. And Duppy are frightened this lady. Remember, domestic violence hotline 1-800-799-7233. Or you can go to the hotline.org. The viewers and subscribers have a beautiful day, have a wonderful day, and you don't know. One life, one aim, one heart, one destiny. And remember, we don't take threat. We may not talk what we are do, but no threat left unturned. When you give the authority, the information, what them do with it is what them do with it. But the most important thing is to report a threat. Every threat you can report. And also me go say this. It no matter which part you're in the world, you can report anything. The viewers and subscribers, I'm out. Bye bye.